Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today our topic is the role of lungs in homeostasis of humans. What is the role of lungs in homeostasis of humans? Lungs maintain the concentration of carbon dioxide in the blood. Our cells produce carbon dioxide when they perform cellular respiration. From cells, carbon dioxide diffuses into tissue fluid and from there into blood. Blood carries carbon dioxide to lungs from where it is removed in air. Next is the long question, urinary system of humans. As we will study the short questions in this topic and MCQs as well. The first short question is, what is the second name of urinary system of humans? The excretory system of humans is also called the urinary system. What is the composition of urinary system? It is formed of one pair of kidneys, a pair of ureters, a urinary bladder and a urethra. What is the role of kidney in urinary system? Kidneys filter blood to produce urine. Moving towards MCQs. Lungs maintain concentration of carbon dioxide in the blood. Our cells produce carbon dioxide when they perform cellular respiration. From cells, carbon dioxide diffuses into tissue fluid. The excretory system of humans is also called urinary system. The last MCQ on this page is kidneys filter blood to produce urine. Next, what is the role of bladder in urinary system? Answer: the bladder temporarily stores urine until it is released from the body. Define urethra. The next short question. Urethra is the tube that carries urine from urinary bladder to the outside of body. Moving towards MCQs. Bladder temporarily stores urine until it is released from body. Urethra is the tube that carries urine from urinary bladder to the outside of body. Short questions on this page. Question number 1. Write the color and shape of kidneys. Kidneys are dark red, bean-shaped organs. The next short question. What is the length, width and weight of kidney? Each kidney is 10 cm long, 5 cm wide and 4 cm thick and weighs about 120 grams. Write location of kidney in body. They are placed against the back wall of abdominal cavity just below diaphragm, one on either side of vertebral column. They are protected by last two ribs. The left kidney is little higher than the right. Define hilus. The concave side of kidney faces vertebral column. There is a depression called hilus near the center of concave area of kidney. This is the area of kidney through which ureter leaves kidney and other structures including blood vessels, lymphatic vessels and nerves enter and leave kidney. Moving towards the MCQs. The shape of kidney is bean shape. The length of kidney is 10 cm. Width of kidney is 5 cm. Thickness of kidney is 4 cm. Weight of kidney is 120 grams. Kidneys are protected by last two ribs. The left kidney is little higher than the right. The last MCQ is taken from the definition of hilus. Concave side of kidney faces vertebral column. There is a depression called hilus near the concave area of kidneys. Alright students, these were some of the MCQs and short questions. in the given topics. We will study further MCQs and short questions in next topics. Okay, thank you students.